And we have our assessment mid-year, and at the end of the year, another assessment. The results would tell us whether it's effective or not. But I would like to pursue, with our experiences, with our rank one also last year in Parma, that's for reading assessment for grades 1 to 3, where we was ranked 1. And as we did here, or as we have been doing here in our division, we have that living program, even before in our program. So we have those different reading programs by our schools and NANADS at the division level before we have the director's program and then until we completed the project last summer. So the results of that program would tell us that what we did in our reading programs are effective. And we are very much happy because all the reading programs that we have are now anchored from our program. And we are hoping that it will become even more effective. So we'll be waiting for its assessment results.